Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Stuart Titus, and it's a great pleasure to be with you today. As the President, CEO of Medical Marijuana Incorporated, it was 10 years ago when we really first thought and first changed our Medical Marijuana Inc. company into a hemp and CBD company. And it's been wonderful to see the world reception to hemp-based CBD products. But back then I was thinking, okay, after CBD, what's next? What's going to be the new up-and-coming non-psychoactive cannabinoid? And here today we have it for you. Cannabigerol, CBG, known as the mother of all cannabinoids, or the Rolls-Royce of cannabis, if you will. This is the first cannabinoid that the cannabis plant produces during its maturation phase. And it's also called the stem cell cannabinoid because as the hemp plant matures, enzymes will convert CBG over to CBD. Or if it's a cannabis or a marijuana plant, it will convert this CBG over to THC. But interestingly enough, CBG may have a stem cell-like effect called neurogenesis upon us humans. And this is through its interaction with what's called PPAR gamma, very technically known as peroxisome proliferator activated receptors of the gamma variety. And certainly CBD has been shown in laboratory rats to cause this effect. We're quite excited about future study and research because early studies show that CBG also has this very interesting neurogenesis type effect. Cannaway's new pure CBG oil is 1,000 milligrams of CBG in a 1 ounce bottle. We're quite excited about this because this is a very high concentration product. 33.3 milligrams per milliliter, so certainly this is going to rival the concentration of some of our oral applicator products, and it's great to be introducing this to the field. Now, CBG, how is it different from CBD? Well, CBG interacts with the body's endocannabinoid system in a slightly different way than does CBD. Many of us are familiar with CBD, of course, because we've been selling it for many, many years now. And CBD is really known as what's called an allosteric modulator. So by that, it means that CBD will not actually bond directly to your endocannabinoid receptors, your CB1 and CB2, but instead it attaches to the cell's ligand, where here it also has a powerful but a less direct effect. So here CBD will change the shape, the orientation, as well as the permeability of the cell membrane. And certainly this has tremendous physiological benefits. Now, on the other hand, CBG acts a little bit more like THC in that it has this direct lock and key effect on your CB1 and CB2 receptors. So here there's a more direct exchange of information as well as nutrients. And the combination together, CBD plus CBG, you really get this very advanced or magnified entourage effect because certainly when you're doing this direct lock and key as well as the allosteric modulation benefits of both cannabinoids together, you're going to get some tremendous results. So we're very excited about this wonderful, profound effect that really can, for many people, feel a little bit more powerful than CBD. And certainly we're very excited to have these new products available. Now, CBG has also been shown by studies to be a potential mood enhancer. So it appears that CBG, like CBD, enhances the expression of serotonin. This is a feel-good chemical, a hormone or a neurotransmitter that the brain produces. In preclinical data, our CBD products have actually shown to have a very positive effect on serotonin receptor. It's called 5-HT1A. This is found in the brain as well as on the spleen. And certainly when in abundance, serotonin creates wonderful feelings of happiness, well-being, and contentment within the human body. And certainly as a more direct agonist of serotonin receptors, CBG, because of this more direct lock and key effect, CBG may have an even greater or highly synergistic effect to elevate individuals' mood. Additional research has been shown that CBG has this incredible antibacterial effect, anti-MRSA in particular. CBG is particularly potent at killing MRSA, or what's called methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, which is one of the most common hospital superbugs. It also has been shown to kill what's called persister cells that are highly antibiotic resistant. And CBG has also been proven to be as effective as the strongest known drug, vancomycin. Now, this is particularly important as antibiotic resistance has become a major threat to public health. In fact, many are calling this the next great pandemic, the antibiotic resistance to many common bugs that go into the individual systems, particularly hospital-borne infections. But certainly, this is something that, as the trend continues, that possibly as many as 10 million people a year will die from antibiotic-resistant types of bacteria that are floating around in our society. So to have an answer for this, certainly we're quite excited about additional research that's coming along on CBG and its antibacterial, antimicrobial effects. Now, the topical application of CBG has also been shown to have wonderful effect for dermatological conditions, things such as psoriasis, eczema, and atopic dermatitis. CBG inhibits keratinocyte proliferation, a characterization of psoriasis. Results suggest that cannabinoids, and particularly CBG, may play a potential role in the treatment of psoriasis and other inflammatory skin conditions. Our pharmaceutical partner, Axum Biotech, has found CBG to be a significant T-cell mediator. And these T-cells are natural killer cells that are part of the body's first line of defense in the immune system.